On security training, the NSCDC is taking steps to strengthen VIP protection nationwide. The Commandant General of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC Professor Ahmed Abubakar Audi, has charged officers and men of the Corps to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, integrity, and dedication in the protection of very important persons, VIPs. Audi gave the charge while delivering a keynote address at a 3-day VIP leadership and management workshop held at the NSCDC National Headquarters in Abuja. The workshop brought together state commandants, VIP commanders, and armorers from across the federation.
VIPs goes hand in hand with the armorer and the armed force commander. They are supposed to be working together. And all records of VIP, both for the VIPs and for personnel, must be kept intact. Any faith or any information that is hiding, if you want to hide anything about VIP assignment, they are on your own. You must also put professional conduct and etiquette in the way you carry out your affairs while discharging this very important function.
The Commandant General noted that the workshop organized by the Directorate of Training and Manpower Development was designed as a strategic intervention to strengthen the tactical leadership and administrative capacities of officers involved in VIP protection duties.